and welcome to Ponder Over This. What if Earth had rings made of a different material? Imagine this for a moment. Our blue planet, encircled by radiant, shimmering rings, not of rock and dust, but of something completely different. What if these rings were made of water ice, sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight? Or what if they were composed of metallic particles interacting with our planet's magnetic field in ways we've never experienced? Each of these scenarios presents a unique set of possibilities, challenges, and questions. From the breathtaking visual spectacle they would create to the profound changes they could bring to our climate, gravitational forces, and even our global communication systems. Today, we're diving into the fascinating possibilities of water ice and metallic rings and the incredible impact they could have on our planet. So, are you ready to journey with us into the realm of the hypothetical? Imagine Earth adorned with shimmering rings made of water ice. How might that revolutionize our blue planet? Let's delve into this fascinating concept. These icy rings would not be mere celestial adornments. They would be intricate, dynamic systems, captivating in their complexity. The rings would be composed of countless particles of water ice, each one a minuscule, crystalline world interacting with the sun's rays. As sunlight strikes these ice particles, the spectacle that unfolds would be nothing short of magical. The ice would refract, reflect, and scatter light, painting our sky with a breathtaking canvas of colors and patterns. Imagine gazing up on a clear day to see gleaming halos, radiant sundogs, and iridescent patterns. The way we experience our atmosphere, our sky, our very perspective of the world would transform into something truly extraordinary. Yet there's more to this scenario than meets the eye. The addition of water ice rings would not only change the visual landscape, but it could also lead to significant alterations in Earth's climate. The rings would impact the way sunlight is distributed across our planet, affecting temperature patterns. Depending on the density and location of these rings, some regions may receive less sunlight, while others might bathe in its intensified glow. This altered distribution of sunlight could lead to shifts in weather patterns, potentially affecting rainfall and temperature variations. Such changes in weather systems could, in turn, influence our ecosystems. Different species might have to adapt to new environmental conditions, leading to shifts in biodiversity. Our agriculture, our flora and fauna, our very way of life could see profound changes. So, while the concept of Earth adorned with water ice rings might seem whimsical, its implications are far-reaching. From breathtaking visual spectacles to potential climate changes, the presence of water ice rings would redefine our understanding of our home planet. Changes in temperature distribution might lead to shifts in weather patterns, influencing precipitation and even impacting ecosystems globally. As we continue to explore this hypothetical scenario, let's bear in mind that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be unraveled. And don't forget the gravitational effects. Every object in the universe, no matter how small, exerts a gravitational pull. If Earth were to be encircled by rings, whether they be icy or metallic, these rings would undeniably possess their own mass. And with mass comes gravity. This added gravitational force would create a new dynamic in Earth's already complex gravitational landscape. Imagine our planet, already a hub of satellites orbiting in a delicate dance, now having to contend with the gravitational pull of these new rings. It would be like introducing a new dance partner into a perfectly choreographed ballet. This would necessitate a deeper understanding of advanced orbital mechanics to ensure our satellites continue their orbits without interruption. Now consider the tides. Our ocean's tides are primarily influenced by the gravitational pull of the moon, but introduce a new gravitational force in the form of Earth's rings, and we could see variations in these tides. Depending on the mass and proximity of the rings to Earth, these changes could range from subtle to dramatic. In coastal regions, where life has adapted to the rhythm of the tides, these variations could have significant implications. From the smallest organisms in tidal pools to the larger marine life, Even subtle changes in tides could affect their feeding and breeding habits. On a larger scale, human activities such as fishing, shipping, and coastal living could also be impacted. So, the gravitational effects of Earth's hypothetical rings would extend far beyond our skies. They would reach into our oceans, affecting life both in the water and on land. Coastal regions might experience variations in tides, adding another layer to the complex dance of Earth's gravitational forces. As we explore these hypothetical scenarios, we are reminded of the delicate balance of forces that makes life on Earth possible, and how even the most dazzling of celestial adornments could disrupt this balance. Now, switch gears and envision Earth with rings made of metallic particles, a world encircled by gleaming bands of metal shimmering in the sunlight, casting intriguing shadows on the surface below. It's a sight that would take your breath away, but the implications of such a scenario extend far beyond the visual. A key characteristic of metal is its conductivity, its ability to transmit electric currents. This property would introduce a whole new dynamic into the equation. The metallic particles charged by the sun's radiation would interact with Earth's magnetic field. This could result in spectacular displays of electromagnetic phenomena. Imagine auroras, those ethereal curtains of light usually reserved for polar skies, becoming a common sight even at lower latitudes. The night sky would be a canvas of dancing lights, painting our world with vibrant hues of green, red, and blue. But this electrifying spectacle wouldn't be without its challenges. The electromagnetic interactions could potentially interfere with our communication systems. From the radio signals that connect our phones to the GPS satellites that guide our way, the metallic rings could disrupt these delicate networks. Moreover, the flow of electric currents generated by the metallic particles could impact the operations of our satellites. These floating sentinels that monitor our weather, relay our messages, and observe our universe could face new hurdles in their journey around Earth. The challenges posed by a metallic ring system would require innovative solutions. Engineers and scientists would need to rethink satellite designs, devise new shielding techniques, and perhaps even develop entirely new communication technologies. It's a daunting task, but one that could lead to breakthroughs in our understanding of electromagnetism and its applications. In essence, a world with metallic rings would be a world of electrifying beauty and unprecedented challenges. It would be a world that pushes the boundaries of our technological ingenuity and expands our perception of what's possible. Engineers would need innovative solutions to ensure the reliability of our global communication networks. Beyond the scientific aspects, imagine the cultural and societal impact. The presence of celestial rings would undoubtedly alter the way we view our place in the universe. With our skies now adorned with shimmering ribbons of ice or metallic particles, our perspective of the cosmos would be forever transformed. These rings would not just be a spectacle for our eyes, but also fuel for our imagination and creativity. Artists might find inspiration in the ever-changing patterns of the rings, producing masterpieces that capture their ethereal beauty. Our literature, music, and even our architecture might be influenced by these celestial adornments, leading to a new era of artistic expression. Moreover, these rings could also inspire philosophical contemplation. As we gaze up at the sky, we might find ourselves pondering the mysteries of existence more frequently. The rings could act as a constant reminder of the vastness of the universe and our small place within it, leading to a deeper appreciation for our planet and a stronger commitment to its preservation. Culturally, the rings could become integrated into our myths and folklore. Just as ancient civilizations created stories to explain the stars and planets, we might find ourselves crafting new tales about the origins and meaning of the rings. These narratives could become a significant part of our cultural heritage, passed down through generations and shared across borders. In terms of societal changes, the rings could also influence our daily routines. Depending on their visibility, they might affect our perception of day and night, leading to shifts in our sleep patterns, work schedules, and recreational activities. Our calendars and timekeeping methods might need to be updated to account for these changes. The integration of extraordinary rings into human experience could inspire new myths and legends, adding a profound layer to our understanding of the universe. In this imagined future, we're not just inhabitants of Earth, but also the custodians of its rings, tasked with the responsibility of coexisting with these celestial phenomena while celebrating their influence on our cultures and societies. In conclusion, contemplating Earth with alternative rings sparks the imagination and raises intriguing questions about our planet's past, present, and potential future. We've journeyed through a world where the sky dazzles with ice rings, dramatically altering our climate and gravitational forces. We've also explored the scenario of metallic rings, introducing new electromagnetic phenomena and potential challenges to our communication systems. Beyond the science, we've reflected on the profound cultural and societal impacts such celestial phenomena could have, inspiring new narratives and interpretations of our universe. This hypothetical journey underscores the intricate balance of our planet and the infinite possibilities that lie in the realm of imagination. It's a testament to the wonders of the universe and our ever-evolving understanding of it. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep wondering and exploring the wonders of our universe.